Hey, what's up guys? So today the watch face that I am reviewing is called Triangle and it is from a developer called DK. So it's an analog watch face, but we also get digital time at the top. Then we have date and day here. We've got battery, heart rate and steps here. And then we also have seconds hands going on. And we have these seconds and hour markings at the periphery. Now let's see what customization options we get with this watch face. So if we go in customize, so first of all we have the background options. So here you can see that we can change the background here. So we have few different options, so let's go with this camo style. Then we have a triangle color. So there you go. Now we have some accent colors and you can really make it look like, a sci-fi type of watch face and give it some sleek look. So this is the one that I like. Then we have hands, so you can change the hands as well. So this one looks cool, but I'll stick with the original one. Then we have colors, so more colors, you can add more colors if you want. Always on display version, so by default just the seconds hand disappear and everything else remains the same. So let's see what the second one brings along. And then we have complications, so you can add quite a few complications in this watch face. So here you can see all the complications that you can add. Press OK and it will change. So this is the new look of this watch face. Looks really cool, really sleek and really modern. I really like this and definitely gives it more character with these accent colors which you can choose obviously. So let's see what is the dark mode like, the second one that we choose. So there you go. Now the accent colors are more pronounced in this one, but you still see a lot of content on this watch face. This is also not good for the battery life also. Anyways, this is the watch face Triangle. I'll put the link of this watch face in the description below if you want to check it out. And that's about it from this video. I will see you in the next one.